Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to connect HoneyGain to JumpTask and receive bonus. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open up your preferred internet browser. For me it's going to be Safari since I am on an iOS device. Just open up your internet browser, go to google.com like this, and here you have to search for JumpTask HoneyGain like this, and here you have to just click on the first link. So basically if you try JumpTask on HoneyGain, you will be able to earn money and get bonuses on your payouts. So just click on try JumpTask and complete the simple prompts that you will see on your screen. Click on start earning, and that's about it guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.